Hi, I'm Susan. How are you doing today? Today I'm making frosted sugar cookie bars, and they sound easy and they sound delicious. So I hope you'll like this video. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, for the bars, I've got 1 cup of softened butter, that's 2 sticks. I've got 2 cups of sugar, 4 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 4 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, got 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of soda. You want to add your 2 sticks of softened butter and your sugar in a large mixing bowl. You want to cream this until it's light and fluffy. I have my oven preheating at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, I know it's hard to see here, but I'm adding in my eggs one at a time, and I'm mixing after each egg. And now I want to add in my vanilla, and now I'm going to scrape my bowl. Now I want to beat in my flour, salt, and baking soda until it's well combined. Now I want to spread and press my dough onto a half sheet pan, which is an 18 by 13 by 1, sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. And my hands are clean. I just had to spread it out the best I can. The dough is sticky. I'm trying to get my dough just as even all the way across as I can. Now I want to bake my cookie bars for about 10 to 12 minutes or until just golden brown. Let them cool completely. Okay, for the frosting, we need a 1/2 cup of butter, which is 1 stick, 3 tablespoons of whole milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 4 cups of powdered sugar. It called for pink food coloring. I didn't have pink, but I've got red, and the red and white should make the pink. And candy sprinkles. In a large bowl, using a hand mixer or a stand mixer, combine all your frosting ingredients except your sprinkles and beat until light and fluffy. My butter was softened. Now you want to spread your frosting in an even layer on your cooled cookie bars and then top with the sprinkles. The frosting was nice and creamy, and it really had a good flavor to it. And I think I added just enough drops of the red food coloring to where it gave it a pretty pink. These cookies would be great for Valentine's. And the one thing I love about the cookie bars is that you don't have to sit there and do individual cookies. It goes a lot faster and a lot easier than making cookies. All right, let's give this baby a try. Cookie's real soft. I really like it. You got that buttercream icing. It's a keeper. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I hope y'all have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Bye, y'all.